get our cake and frosting. And while you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us in the comments who your favorite Moana character is. Spread on your frosting. Yummy, creamy frosting. Now we're gonna start up making some stuff for our cake. We're gonna start with the piggy head. Have you guys ever seen the Emperor's New Groove? Do you know what kind of animal the Emperor turns into? Stay to the end to find out. Aww, it's gonna be a little piggy. Remember, you can always practice on Play-Doh. We're gonna get the modeling clay going. Make some piggy ears, and it's time to assemble. Aren't these videos just so awesome? Aww, and the piggy nose! So cute! Aww, and the ears! Isn't this piggy so cute? Did you just love watching Moana? She's so fun. Makes you want to go to a beach and play in the ocean. So exciting! Now to draw on the details. Remember, make sure you've hit that subscribe button so you never miss a cake. Give us a huge thumbs up. Tell us if you like to paint in the comments. We're gonna make some more details now. Wow, look at all that texture. You know who this is for. Did you say the chicken? I think you're right. Aww. The chicken's so funny. Aww. Coming together so awesome. All right, time to assemble it all together. Be super careful. It doesn't fall apart when you move it. Aww. They're friends. How cute is that? Do you love playing with your friends too? All right, now cut out the extra, but don't cut your fingers. Be careful if you're ever using a super sharp knife. Aww, lots of confetti.
Wow.
So fun. Look at all those colors. Do you like rainbow colors too? All right, now we're gonna start up on Moana. We can't forget Moana. Isn't she awesome? Does she make you want to go sailing on the ocean? That'd be so fun, huh? Don't worry, she's gonna look awesome when she's all finished. Just wait. Wow, look at it go. Aw, she's coming together. All right, for our trivia question, what animal did the Emperor turn into in the Emperor's New Groove? Did you guess it right? It's a llama. Did you guess a llama? If you did, you were right. Let us know in the comments if you got it right. Make sure that subscribe button is hit and give us a big thumbs up. Aww. So pretty. How awesome is this? Now we're gonna make pretty flower petals for her hair. So cool. So tropical. Now we're gonna assemble the whole cake together. Make sure you're really careful when you move everything. stick it on there. Aww, how awesome is this, guys? And more tropical flowers. So fun! So pretty. You can never have too many tropical flowers. All finished! Yeah!